What are the best ways to debug PyQt GUI problems? Imagine your PyQt application is a busy city street. Sometimes, traffic jams happen, signals don't work, or cars get stuck. Debugging is like fixing those traffic issues so everything runs smoothly. When working with PyQt for GUI development, you need a few reliable tools and techniques to keep your application running without hiccups. First, Python's built-in debugger, called PDB, is a great starting point. You can insert a breakpoint or import PDB set trace, into your code. When your program hits that point, it pauses, letting you inspect variables and see what's happening step by step. This helps you understand where your logic might be off or where the program is not behaving as expected. Next, instead of using print statements, it's better to use Python's logging module. Logging allows you to record messages at different levels like debug, warning, or error. You can set it up to output to the console or save logs to a file. This makes it easier to track issues over time, especially in larger applications. Checking signal and slot connections is another key step. PyQt uses signals to notify your program when something happens, like a button press. If a signal isn't connected properly to its slot function, the button won't do anything. You can add print statements or logs inside your slot functions to see if they are triggered. When problems are more complex, you might want to use Qt's own debugging tools. If you build Qt or PyQt from source, you can enable debug symbols. This allows you to step into Qt's internal code with debuggers like GDB or those integrated into your IDE. It's helpful when issues stem from Qt widgets or internal behavior. Long tasks can freeze your GUI, making it unresponsive. To prevent this, offload heavy work to worker threads using QThread. Debugging threading issues involves checking if threads start and finish correctly and ensuring they are cleaned up properly. Also, inspecting your widget hierarchy is important. PyQt widgets have parent-child relationships. If you delete a parent widget, its children disappear too. Sometimes, widgets don't show up or vanish because of incorrect parenting. Use debugging to verify widget creation, parenting, and visibility states. Using an IDE like PyCharm or Visual Studio Code can make debugging easier. These tools let you set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables. Some IDEs even support Qt Designer, which helps you see layout issues more clearly. Testing small parts of your GUI separately is a smart move. Isolate individual widgets or components in simple scripts to verify their behavior before integrating into the full application. Keep an eye on exceptions and error messages. PyQt often outputs warnings or errors to the console. These messages can point directly to issues like signal slot mismatches or invalid widget states. Wrapping critical code sections in try-except blocks and logging exceptions can save you time. Lastly, remember that PyQt applications run an event loop with app.exec. If your GUI isn't updating, it might be because a long task is blocking this loop. Use methods like update or repainted to force refreshes and ensure you don't run heavy operations directly on the main thread. Combining these approaches gives you a solid way to find and fix GUI problems. Start with simple debugging and logging, verify your signal connections, manage threads carefully, and use Qt's debugging options for deeper issues. This way, you'll keep your PyQt applications running smoothly and make your development process more enjoyable.